Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Byte. Samsung is working on something exciting for those who don't want to spend a lot on the Galaxy S25 series. According to Alec, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is expected to release in 2025. And this time it's getting a big design update. It will be slimmer than the S24 Fan Edition. To make it thinner, Samsung is likely using a smaller, wider battery. While this isn't unusual in smartphones, it means Samsung will need to adjust the internal layout, especially the circuit board. It's a challenge, but one Samsung can handle. As for the chipset, we're not sure yet. For the S24 Fan Edition, Samsung used the Exynos 2400E, but rumors suggest that the Exynos 2500 may not be ready for the S25 and S25 Plus. If that's the case, Samsung could use either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy or the Snapdragon 8 Elite in the S25 Fan Edition. If production of the Exynos 2500 ramps up by the middle of next year, it could still power the Fan Edition. Samsung might also mix the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 and Snapdragon 8 Elite for the S25 Fan Edition, but it's still unclear. The goal is to make the Fan Edition as thin as the standard Galaxy S24, which is 7.6 mm thick. The S25 Fan Edition is expected to have a 6.7-inch screen, like the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Samsung even increased the screen size in the S24 Fan Edition compared to the S23 Fan Edition's 6.2-inch display. Along with a larger screen, the S24 Fan Edition also got a bigger 4,700 mAh battery. Leaks suggest Samsung has already started mass-producing the Exynos 2500, which is built with advanced 3nm technology. This chip was initially rumored for the standard Galaxy S25, but that didn't happen. Now, it might be used in the Galaxy Z Flip instead. However, there's a good chance it could end up in the S25 Fan Edition. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you